What is up, guys? I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees because I couldn't find everything I needed in the first one, and I'm very happy that I ended up going to a more popular second one. I drove all the way out into Ponte Vedra Beach to go to a Dollar Tree that was down there, and the weirdest thing ever, we pull in the parking lot, and what did it say? The dollar stop spot, and then very small underneath it said Dollar Tree. And as we were in there was no music playing. It was literally the smallest Dollar Tree I've ever been to. There was like no food on the shelves. There was like this little itty bitty sliver of food, and it had like 1 box of lasagna noodles. It was very weird. And then as we were checking out, this like posh Ponte Vedra mother was in there, and she was like, she walked up to the cash register and was like, "Is this $1?" And the man was like, "Everything in here is $1." I was like, okay. But anyhow, I picked up a few things there, so I'm going to show you what I got. I got a couple things for the Valentine's Day taste test, which is going to be coming up soon. I got a pack of the Russell Stover chocolate marshmallow eggs and a pack of the Russell Stover marshmallow eggs. I don't know the difference of them because they both said they were covered in milk chocolate, so I don't know if this one is like a chocolate marshmallow covered in milk chocolate. So I grabbed both of those. My aunt sent me this thing earlier today on Facebook that was basically hot gluing sweethearts conversation hearts onto a wreath and making a wreath out of them, so she wanted me to do that for her. So I picked up 5 of the Sweethearts True Love conversation hearts. I also picked up 2 of the Dove eggs and milk chocolate peanut butter. I've never had these. I thought it would be, oh wait, eggs? That's Easter. I'll have to add this to our Easter taste test. I'm sure there's going to be Easter stuff that comes out. I didn't even realize that. Okay, well, we have officially started our Easter taste test also. Let's see. And then from that one, I also got this sign, which has glitter all over it for some reason. Weird. And it just says, "Happy Valentine's Day." You have to like dig through some of them because some of them were stamped weird and like was missing color on some spots. So anyhow, I got this one. I also got these window clings that I think I'm going to put on my mirror, one of my mirrors. I got 2 more of the squishies. So I got another lemon and another orange to put in a bowl for my kitchen because from far away, I mean, they kind of do look real, so.
Where'd the other ones go?
I wanted to try some fake eyelashes, and I saw these by Sassy and Chic, and I thought I would just give them a try. I picked up 2 of them. It says that the glue is included, but I think I'm probably, I don't know, I might try this glue. I don't know. So this is what they look like. They look more natural than the other ones. They actually look like little synthetic hairs. The other ones looked like spider eyelashes, and I wasn't into that. So we're gonna try these puppies out. And then I also picked up these 2 things. I picked up a Valentine's Day mug. Oh, it just looks like this all over. I thought it was cute. I really liked the colors on it, how they were kind of pastels. I also picked up this little glass, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think it's supposed to be like a vase, but I just thought it was really cute and adorable, so I grabbed it. And that was everything that I got from the first Dollar Tree. Now the second Dollar Tree that I went to is a very good one. Very, very good. I always find things there. So I got this to go on my mirror in the dining room, and it's just garland. It has the bigger flowers, yes. It has the bigger hearts all over it instead of the little tinier ones. So supposedly this is 9 feet, so that should work pretty well. I picked up Love Each Moment. I needed a couple signs to like put places here and there in my house, so I grabbed this one. It was pretty cute. And then I picked up these, which remind me of the Target dollar spot that would be $5. How cute are these? It says "Love Conquers All," and again with these you kind of had to dig through them and make sure that you found one that was printed nicely. And then this one says "Love Every Moment." Dollar Tree is stepping up their decor game. Yes. And then the reason that I stopped at the second Dollar Tree was because I needed one of these to glue all the conversation hearts to. That is everything that I got from my Dollar Trees today, my 2 of them, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I did something different that time. I did a peace sign. Whoa.